This is a video of how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the CFOP method. Now, the first step of the CFOP method is basically also the white cross. It comes in the basic method also. So what you have to do in the white cross is that these center pieces here, these center pieces with the white edges, should have the same color. So then we have to do the so then there's the corners left. Okay, so we have to make the corners. So you can see here I have a white, green, orange corner. So what I want to do is I should put it here. Now what step we're doing right now is called F2L, and if we have to find the edge piece, okay, of the green and orange. So then if you found the edge piece, it should be a green in front of green should be facing you, and orange should be on the top, and it should be on orange. So then we have to turn it, put this up. It should look something. If you have this, then you can use a step from the basic method, the edges method, the edges step. So there you go. We've done the F2L of this. There's another way of also, if you get it like this and it has the opposite colors, it's not facing correct, you can do this. You can turn from the right like this, and then of course right here. The next step we have is making the is F2L is done. So now we have to do OLL. In OLL there are two steps. One is the yellow cross. So the algorithm for the yellow cross is F. You can skip a step if you have the L shape. You can just do this. F U R U prime F prime. Oh, I guess we no. Sorry about that. We'll be back. Now we have the cross. So I want to make only one yellow corner here. Okay, so I'll just do some algorithms for it to disappear. Now there's only one yellow corner which is facing up. So now when that is done, the algorithm, the second step is to make these corners correct, and to make this full yellow. So the algorithm for that is right up, right prime, up, right, up to prime, right prime. So we still have them like that, and also this should be correct. This corner should be correct. The left top, right, front top left corner should be right. So then we do the algorithm again. Now these two corners are correct, while these two are not. So the algorithm to correct them is, the incorrect one should be at the front top right corner. Now the algorithm is right up, right prime, up prime, right prime, front, right to up prime, right prime, up prime, right, up, right prime, up prime. Now almost everything is correct. The red edge piece with the yellow is correct, but the others are not. So the algorithm is up prime, right, up prime, right, up, right, up, right, up prime, up prime, right 2, and then up. We do that algorithm again if it's not correct. And now your Rubik's Cube is solved. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.